What's up, Savage Team? Alright, so if you don't know where I am, Amanda, my sister's probably don't know where I am because I'm in her room. I'm about to take out, Petra, the bird, hang out with her for a little bit. And yes, this is going to be the part of the video. So, I'm going to take her out. Shut up, Jerry. And we're going to have a little fun with, Petra today. Before I don't know what day Amanda's going to be coming home. But, come on. Ow. You got it. Alright. So I had the bird. She's been calling me the whole time. Ah, ah, ah. So, ow, stop biting me. So I took her out. I already fed them too. So so they already did to eat. I don't know what's wrong with her. No, stop it, stop it, stop. Don't laugh at me. But if you guys are, my fans, screenshot this. This is kind of cool. You dancing? What is wrong with you? If you guys like the bird, comment below that you like her name. Whoa. I don't know what's wrong. She's like, you okay? What is wrong with this bird? Amanda, if you see this video, she's being weird today. She's dancing, she's moving around, and then... What are you doing? She's talking a lot today. But, and she's biting me a lot, too. What, is she trying to hold hands? What are you doing? It sounds like she just said Coco's name. Did you say Coco's name? Amanda, if you see this video, comment below and tell me if she just said Coco's name. It just sounded like that she said that name. What are you doing? Alright, peace. This is the end of the video. Subscribe, and yeah.